Happy Dasara to everyone. So with Dasara comes Jalebi, and with Jalebi comes something namkeen, that is Mathri. For the Jalebi, first we are going to make some sugar syrup, and for this I am using 2 big spoon of sugar, which is at least 100 grams. In 1 cup of water I have added, and some kesar and 3 crushed cardamoms, and I'll let it boil until the sugar dissolves completely. So for the batter of the jalebi, I am using here 3 spoons of maida, which is approx 150 grams. Then goes 1 big spoon of ghee. Add a packet of Eno so that our jalebi becomes crispy and fluffy. Now using my hand, I'll be mixing everything together, and you have to see that your mixture is like this. Now we are going to add water slowly, and you should be very careful because we don't want any lumps in our batter, and our batter should not be too runny. So with this motion you have to beat the batter with your hand. As the batter is ready, I'll be pouring it in a ketchup bottle. You can use any kind of plastic bag or piping bag even. Now let's fry the jalebis. You have to make these kind of spiral patterns, and the oil should be very nicely heated. Jalebi is nice golden brown in color, so I'll just dip it in the syrup and take it out. So the yummy jalebi is ready. So the instant jalebi for Dasara is ready. Now we are going to make the Masala Mathri. For the Masala Mathri, I'm using plain flour, approx 150 grams. Next goes salt according to taste. Then I'll be adding a handful of kasuri methi and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now using my hands, I'll just mix everything together. The oil and the maida should mix properly, so that if we start binding with our hands like this, it becomes crumbly. This way the mathris will become very crunchy. Next I'm going to add at least 1 cup of water, but you have to be very careful while adding the water because we need a firm dough. The dough should be soft and firm. Now this way with my hands I'll just mix everything together, and here's our dough ready. So it's nice, soft but firm. As the dough is ready, now I'll mix some masala. I have added 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Next goes 1 tablespoon red chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, then 1 tablespoon of zira powder, and salt according to the taste. Let's make the mathri. I'll take a small piece of dough in my hand and then roll it out, and I'll just give it a shape of a bowl, and then I'll just fill some masala, and then I'll just close it and again flatten it out, and this way the mathri is ready. So it's ready. So the mathris are ready. I'll just simply prick it with a fork before frying. When the oil is very hot, then only put the mathris in the oil, and then immediately turn the heat into low, and this way if you fry the mathris, they will become very crunchy. And here I am using vegetable oil to fry the mathris. So you can see it's golden brown in color. So our mathri is ready. Now I'll just simply take it out. Our crunchy kurkuri mathris are ready. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe the channel. And please write in the comments, after eating sweets, do you like to eat something salty?